Hey yo, this is Vicky, and I'm here to sing about how India got 500 million people into the banking system. It's a remarkable story of financial inclusion and digital payments, so listen up, as I break it down with some charts and statements. The Pradhana Mantri Jana Dhan Yojana scheme, launched by Modi in 2014, it gave zero balance accounts, debit cards and insurance to the poor and the rich. The number of accounts grew from 12.5 million to 462.1 million in 8 years. That's more than 80% of the adults, compared to less than 40% before. The gender gap in bank account ownership, which was huge in 2014, only 43% of women had a bank account, compared to 62% of men, but by 2021, the gap had reduced to just 6 percentage points. That's a win. 86% of women and 92% of men had a bank account. That's financial inclusion. The money deposited in the Pradhana Mantri Jana Dhan Yojana accounts, which also rose over time, the total balance reached 1.77 trillion rupees in August 2021. That's a lot of dime. That's equivalent to about 0.8% of India's GDP. That's not a crime. It shows that these accounts are not just dormant, but are used for saving and spending. The debit cards issued under the Pradhana Mantri Jana Dhan Yojana scheme, which also increased rapidly from 11.8 million in August 2014 to 305.9 million in August 2021, that's not shabby. These cards enable the account holders to access their money through ATMs and POS terminals, as well as make digital payments through various platforms and channels. The volume and value of digital transactions in India, which have surged in the past few years, especially after the demonetization of high-value currency notes in November 2016, that caused some tears. The volume of digital transactions reached 5.7 billion in July 2021, while the value reached 15.9 trillion rupees. Some of the popular modes of digital payments include UPI, BHIM, AEPS, and RuPay cards. They are brilliant. This discussion demonstrates how India has made remarkable strides in financial inclusion and digital payments, which have positive impacts on economic growth, social welfare, and financial stability. India's experience can serve as a model for other developing countries that aspire to achieve similar goals. As Prime Minister Modi said in his Independence Day speech this year, today we can say with pride that the country has become financially inclusive. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share the video to your loved ones.